watch anime for free. Alright, so first open your Chrome browser and then search for crunchyroll.com. You can find various animes here that you can watch. As you can see, you can even choose the genre of your anime from here. And another one is called Tubi TV. You can find different kind of shows and animes here, so just make sure to tap on this three dots right here, and under genre you can scroll down, and at the very second option you can see the anime. Just tap on it and this will open all of the available anime on your on this website. And if you are facing any problem, or if you're facing any problem loading your animes or these website, make sure you use a VPN. That makes it easier for you to load, and it will show a variety of options on your anime list. And that's how you can watch free anime on these websites. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.